What's going on, YouTube? If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Thanks. I have finally got my hands on the HomePod. I have been waiting and waiting. So many outs at every store that I went to, so many back orders online, and I finally just walked into the Apple store one day and bought it. It's crazy. Anyway, I'm excited as hell to get my hands on it. All right, here we go. And there it is. All right. Get this box and stuff out of the way. Wait, let's see what else comes in the box. All right, we got the cable. Oh yeah, the cable feels nice, heavy duty and braided. It's pretty dope. 2-prong. And this is the power connection right here. It's pretty dope. Hopefully, once I stick this into the HomePod, it can come out to make replacing the cable in case they get damaged. But I am excited to see this black cable. That's pretty dope. I love the whole black themed, and I'm looking forward to it. Let's get it. Okay, I'm getting excited, man. We do have a book, but I've read so much about the HomePod until I probably glance at that every once in a while. Or I probably glance at it now, and yeah. Yep, that's it. Throw this bad boy back in the box, and let me get the box and everything out of the way so we can get started. Back to the HomePod, gonna, oh yeah. Oh yes. That is sweet, man. The Apple logo at the bottom? Yo, like, I want this logo to be showing somehow. I wish there was a way. No way I want that at the bottom. But anyway, let's take the top plastic off. That's pretty dope. And I'm a little late to the party, but just in case you didn't know, here's that power adapter right here. And this is where you plug it in. It doesn't seem to have a particular way that you plug it in, but let's try. Yes, in the little groove right here. So the groove goes this way, plugs in, just like that. And you can pull that power cable back out. Let's plug it back in though. Let's place it down right here. And I'm gonna get it plugged in. Okay, as you can see, it's already powering up. Gonna put my iPhone 14 Pro Max very close to it and see what happens. Oh man, that bass was pretty dope, yo. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm pretty excited about this one. I'm a music lover and y'all just don't know. Okay, let's go to setup. All right, I gotta get this in frame. See, bag up a little bit, bag up a little bit. All right, started pairing. Man, that bass, I'm not gonna lie, while this is going through, that bass really caught me off guard. I wasn't expecting that. Now, I'm not expecting like killer bass because I've heard some very good speakers in my lifetime. And I did actually buy my sister the HomePod Mini, and that one was okay, but I get it for the size. But I feel like it should have at least been a little bit louder, but I wasn't disappointed. She's not disappointed, so you know, I just wanted the big boy. Let's see, HomePod is ready. Okay, let's see. I want to do some music, but of course I can't go to YouTube or they're gonna demonetize my video. But I do have Epidemic Sound. This is not a sponsored video, but I do have a membership with Epidemic Sound, which is where a lot of my music comes from, even the music in this video. Let's see if we could find some hip-hop type songs. Hip-hop. I hearted this one, so let's try it. Let's hear this one. All right. As you can see, it played from my phone, but this is a perfect opportunity for me to see if I can pass it on to the HomePod. I was actually going to do this in a different video, but hey, I mean, let's see. See, transfer from iPhone. Let's see. As you can see, it already did it. Wait, no, don't do it yet. Apple already jumping the gun. Hold on, let's see. Let's press play. It's playing from my phone. I hover over it. It asks me, did I want to transfer? I press continue, and it transfers. Dope. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, I feel like a DJ, man. This thing sounds pretty dope, and I'm only on half volume. So we're gonna start this song over, and we're gonna put it on max volume and see how loud it goes. Oh. Yo. Yo. Whomever said that this bad boy is not loud, something is wrong with you. Like, you have hearing issues, yo. There is no way you think that this HomePod is not loud. This thing is super loud, yo. Okay, let's try to find another song. Let's see if I got a bunch of them. For some reason it's still loading. Okay, like sounds right here. See if we can find a good one. Ooh, woo. Sheesh. Yo, I don't know if it's coming through the speakers, because you got to keep in mind that the sound is being processed by my editing software, and then I upload it to YouTube and they process it as well. So you may not hear this trouble and this bass in this speaker, but man, this speaker is absolutely amazing, yo. Take my word for it. It's amazing. Goodness. And again, it's not even on max volume. But let's continue. Ooh. Ooh. Bro, no. Keep in mind, man, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I looked at a couple of videos to make sure that I actually wanted to buy this product. If you can afford it, and you're in the Apple ecosystem, even if you're not in the Apple ecosystem, let's say you got an iPod and it's an updated version or something, bro, get this product. Bro, get this product. Okay, let's try another song. Let's try another song. I didn't plan on this video being too long, but let's try another song. Let's see. Game Day. Let's see. No, did that one. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna try a song. I put in heavy bass, so let's see if any of these have like a very, very heavy bass to see how it handles that. So far, I'm hearing no distortion. Everything's coming out nice and clear. I actually can't wait to hear like music with actual sound, like people actually singing in it or rapping or whatever like that. But of course, I can't play that on YouTube. Maybe I'll do that on another video where I already have the expectation of it getting blocked. That'll be dope, but anyway, this is what we have now. So let's see. High hip hop, heavy bass. Let's see. Okay, that sounds pretty dope. All right, let's see what Birdcage hitting on. Oh, yes. Ooh, woo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. That is 100% dope. If you can afford this HomePod, I'm telling you, it will be the perfect addition to your system. Now I have to buy another one of these because I heard you can pair it with your TV. I would love to hear this paired to a television, man. I know this is gonna sound dope. So anyway, next song. Just kind of skip to it, try to get to the bass. Oh yeah, let's try something new. Man. Ooh. Oh Lord. Okay, enough with the hip-hop songs. Let's see if we can find some classical music. I did not expect this video to be this long, y'all. I'm sorry. Let's get us some classical going. Let's see. Yo, the music sounds so clear, crystal clear, beautiful, even with the classical. All right, let's try some Christmas music. I don't know if I can. Let's see if it has some Christmas music that I can. Christmas dinner. I need Christmas spirit together for Christmas. Let's do Christmas dance. Max volume. If you're playing Christmas music with this bad boy, with just one of them, and you guys are in a like a dance hall or a large living room or something like that, you're gonna have to turn this down if you get too close. But anyway, let's wrap this up so I can give my first impressions. Okay, I didn't check on Hey Siri or anything like that. I actually will eventually. I will end up testing that out, but that'll be in a later video. I will need a little bit more time to test everything out. I don't want to just do it one time and then say, hey, I think this is amazing, and then test it out 5 more times and then realize that it's unnecessary. So that'll come in a later video. But so far, man, if you are in the Apple ecosystem, get this speaker if you can afford it. This bad boy is extremely loud. And you put that with it, it does have a built-in Siri. I use Siri all the time. I ask her to turn on my TV, turn on lights and stuff like that. So I actually utilize this, and now I'm gonna turn it off on my phone and then utilize Siri only on this device. Anyway, if you like these type of videos, like, subscribe. Until next time, this your boy Tate. I'm gone. Peace.